Say something.
I got. Look. Oh, yes.
Hi. It's playing. It's recording.
Hi, how you doing? Just stop digging in the dirt. Just stop digging in the dirt.
Okay, move. Okay.
Eat this, it'll make a dark bark.
That's a rat, dude.
Here, now. Hi. Hello, see you later.
I took the one from,
I got sick. You did die. Why? Alright, we'll do the California races next.
Film her. Film Gal.
Come here, Gal. Yeah, come here.
Okay, I got her.
Sit, Gal. Sit, Gal. Sit. 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 Look at me. Come on, look. Sit. Sit. Sit, Gal. I know. Yeah. Don't film me no more. Look at me. Look at me. Look. Come here. Look.
good job.
Sit. Sit.
She doesn't care what you say.
Come here, jump. Jump.
She don't want to jump either.
Oh well. Too bad.
They're sitting in here.
Now walk off the picture.
What?
Walk off the side.
Why is she following me? What are you taping?
I'm taping the garden. What else?
Let me see.
Don't move it though.
I'm not going to. Come on, guys! Wait a minute. Are we on the air yet? Oh, okay. Today is... What's the date? November 25th, 1988. I don't know. Okay. Well, today's sports, the Braves won the final game. And there will never be another game for the World Championship because it's been raining out all the time. I don't think they're ever going to have another one. For today's weather. Excuse me, I'm not done with the sports. Football teams. No, they're not going to be no more.
I'm in the race.
It's just getting too hot. It's just getting way too hot here. It's just getting way too hot. And I don't know why, but they're canceling everything in sports. Your turn. Today's weather.
No, you forgot dog racing.
Well, gosh. To all those people who are going to the Florida State Renegade game, bring your umbrella, because guess what? It's going to pour. Keith hit yesterday, and Tornado Keith knocked down a few trees yesterday. And,
They're brainwashed.
2 days ago.
2 days ago, Keith, with winds up to 69 miles per hour,
Down trees.
climbed down trees. Isn't this such a knock down trees, you dumb? Or wet class, I'm sorry, I forgot. Keep going. So, for today's social class, we have filters working and children sitting on dogs and people riding dogs and the horses are just laying out.
I heard it through the grapevine.
And now it's time for our commercial break.
Ooh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Singing
that California sunshine. Ooh, I heard it through the grapevine. Stay in one place. Go on, stay in one place.
Beehive!
Go to Marcan Building Company Incorporated. Please watch channel 24. 500 for the following precast. Action!
Look, this is the precast. You better like it because it's the last one I do because I'm going to go somewhere and he won't let me go. You know,
I'll let you go. Just do the
and
precast.
so I have to do the stupid precast. So, the fashion statement today is not to wear not to wear what he is wearing.
Don't touch it.
I'm not going to.
Sean already did.
I pointed out for myself. It's recording.
No. Yeah, push this. Okay, I gotta stop it. It won't stop.